spotlight is on the crowd. Okay. People move. Oh no. Gas been beaten down by Jacob Babu. Oh my God.
Chest first. Take the stairs. Let's bring up unbelievable, guys. We are here to witness.
Oh, he's really pissed off, and he's dedicating this fight for his love for Solo Sikoa.
Indeed, looks like Jacob Babu is full of confidence now.
Oh my God!
He's underscored.
He's beating up Jey Uso. Somebody stop this fight! Oh my God! Oh. That was a brutal splash.
Looking right now.
And he's coming, oh my God!
What a counter attack.
Oh wait, Jey is in retaliation and now is Fury! Oh my God. What's Jey's gonna do? Oh my God!
The referee's making for now.
The ref is counting. Oh, he's running it back. Jey Uso is beating off. Getting the crowd while Jacob Babu is down. And the ref is counting. Back alive. Jacob Babu is really hitting this matchup.
Jacob Babu is really aggressive right now.
The ref is counting.
He's working for dominating Jey Uso again with a steel chair.
Jacob Babu is introducing his steel chair and he's aiming at. Oh my God.
Jey Uso is still down.
He's gonna destroy Jey Uso.
Yeah, that from Jacob Babu. He's there fight at the moment.
Jacob Babu. Oh my God. Jacob Babu introducing a ladder. Come on, Jey. Don't wait. Oh my! Jacob Babu hits Jey Uso with the ladder. Oh God! And the referee is counting. So David, what's the fight? Really aiming at Paquito's side now. That is right. And now Jacob Babu. Oh my God! Steel chair at the back.
He's going to show no mercy to Uso.
Jacob Babu is really dominating this match. But Jey's not gonna give up. And another one. my God, that hurts.
First counting right now. With the Jey Uso still in pain.
And he's in counter.
We have a situation here.
Oh my God. Jey Uso is not giving up this. And Jey Uso, super kick with the chair. Jacob Fatu is down.
Doesn't look right now. Jacob Fatu going down. They're counting.
Now Jey Uso has the equalizer.
Jey Uso is going to stop at the moment. Going to find out.
But Jacob Fatu is not backing down. Oh my God. He's not working. Oh no. Oh! So, I think somewhere, somehow, he's enjoying this.
Don't forget the power right now. He's gonna pay for what he did to me.
Oh, he's owing you.
Don't forget.
Oh my God, another crap. That was a hard shot.
Blocking si Rep, blocking.
Counter that amount of pain. And I am still not standing up when I was a champion back then.
So you're also aiming for Paquito's title?
That's probably the case, yes. I was going for retaliation to Paquito.
Okay, figures. Okay. Now Jey is out.
That's how it is.
Okay. That was a... Oh! Close up. Both men are down. And now the referee is counting.
Get up, Fatu.
But if I can ask, who do you prefer to win this? You prefer fighting Paquito instead of this.
This one's tonight last. Paquito was ready for
Okay.
champion.
Jake. Back and forth we go.
Exchanging balls right now.
Jey and Jacob exchanging lefts and rights. Oh, Jey blocked. No, he blocked again. And he's got a punch. Oh, look. Once again. Oh, he missed. It was double line. Red spear! Jacob Fatu is down and the referee is coming again. But Jey has other plans for Jacob Fatu.
Looks like it's another victory right here.
Setting up the table. What is he doing? Oh my God. I don't like what I see here. Super kick! And another super kick! Jacob Fatu still! Oh my God, what the? Oh no, oh no! Oh, dangerous! Oh! Oh my God! No, don't do this! Don't do this! Don't do this! Oh my God! Oh no! Oh my God! Both men are down! Both men are down! The ladder has broken and the table as well! Oh my God! And now Jey is burying Jacob Fatu! Oh no! He's burying responding. And Jey Uso.
And he is your winner and the number one contender for the NWA Pinoy Championship, Jey Uso.
Jey Uso. Yes, beat it. Jey Uso. What a brutal match. Jey Uso is now the number one contender to Makito's Pinoy title.
It's going down now.
And take care. I think this ain't